Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time I'll be reviewing the Mohave Screen Protector. It comes in with this crazy looking screen protector guide. It has some instructions on the back. But I wanted to try this out because I seen it on Amazon. And I thought it would be pretty cool. I guess it's Mohave. I don't know how to pronounce it. But nice presentation from them. You can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Supposed to be easy installation, but let's see how easy it goes. I mean, just look at it. Now, I did have another one on my phone. And for the purpose of this video, I just took it off. Maybe I won't go from the bottom. So yes, I ruined my one screen protector just to try this one out. But that's what you do as a YouTuber sometimes. What is this contraction? So you open it from here. You get more user manuals here. You want to clean your screen. Use the microfiber cloth. We're going to try it out. Let's see. So you get two screen protectors here, which we will figure out what you need to do with that. Then you get installation guides and some tools, it says. And then you also get, is this a squeegee? I guess this is a squeegee too. So you get the squeegee too. I don't know why you need a squeegee if it works well, but let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I always do is turn off my phone. You want to place this bad boy in here, like that. You open up your installation tools, which is probably just a wipe, and also some sticker removers. So you want to wipe your phone down, which is normal. Now I'm going to try to do this on camera. I mean, this thing looks so crazy big, but let's get into it. So you wipe it good, then you want to dry it. Very important step. Again, try to do this in like a not dusty area of your house or room. Then you want to take your dust remover, go around the whole screen. Make sure you're getting all the dust on there. Again, if you can do it in a dust-free zone, that would be great. And then, I mean, you could even cover up that if you wanted to. Alright, so I did that. Here's the screen protector. It has this little arrow here, but you want to put the top in first. Line up the little holes up here. Maybe. Trying to do this on camera and keep everything focused. Not easy. Then you also want to pull this out and push this down. Something like that. Close this bad boy. Oh no. Wait, my bad. I think you just want to pull it like this. Alright, yeah, so you line these holes up. You pull this down here, which is going to keep that. Then you want to pull this off. Just like it says, pull it off. Hopefully it works. Then you kind of want to pull it out. Maybe, like this. And then push it back in. And then you take it off. You take this off here. Did this actually work, y'all? Let's see. All right, so it looks like it worked. It has, I mean, it goes up to the top here. It doesn't cover all your display, so you have some room here. It does have like this little rainbow effect, though. I think that will go away. But, I mean, everything feels good. Fingerprint scanner works. Don't have a problem there. Let's see how the pen feels. Let's create a note. Yeah, pen feels pretty good too. Actually not bad at all. I mean, you kind of feel like you're writing on plastic a little bit, but that's actually pretty good. Let's put this bad boy back. Get that out the way. The overall touch of the screen feels good too. Not bad. But what y'all think about this Mohave Screen Protector? Not bad at all. I will be rocking with this one for a while. Might try out different ones. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Again, you can pick this up from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If I have any updates, I will let y'all know in the updated video or even in the comments. But the installation was pretty easy with this big tool that they have. But y'all let me know. Check me out on Twitter. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.